It's not even coming out. What the? It's the frosting not trying to come out for me. What the fuck? Hola, Yasi family. Say nah, hey guys. Today is part 1 of me and my boyfriend's 5-year anniversary vlog, whatever you want to call it. Today we're doing the tent date. I don't know if I'm gonna make this 1 video or 2 videos, but right now I'm supposed to be making these cupcakes that I got out right here. I had some more stuff put out right here, but I think my mom put it away because she probably thought I just had messed out, but that's not the case this time. But yeah, I'm gonna be attempting to make strawberry cupcakes with like a lemon frosting. I kind of want like a strawberry lemonade type vibe. I was thinking about putting a little bit of lemon juice in this mixture, but I don't know, I don't want to throw it off, so I just opted for a frosting. And then I also got a lemon because, you know, I want to add the little cute lemon slices on top, and I have strawberries, which I'm also going to be putting on top because, I want it to look cute. Like, I don't want it to just taste good, I want it to look cute. And honestly, this is a toxic trait, but I would rather it look cute than taste good. Like, if I had to pick one, I'd rather it look cute. I know that is terrible, but hey, it is what it is. Oh my god, I just forgot. So y'all, I have tonsillitis right now, and I'm supposed to be taking these little prednisone pills every day, and I forgot to take them. So I'm gonna be right back. Okay, like, I'm back. I just took my pill. It's just, I don't know if it's supposed to taste like that, but it's just so nasty. Like, and I try not to let it be on my tongue too long before I swallow it with the drink, but like, I gotta open the drink and stuff. And it's just like, as soon as it dissolves in your tongue just a tad bit, it's just, the taste is like, ugh. But yeah, I just turned on the oven just now. It said to put it on 350, so we're doing 350. And then I have these cupcake pans. Y'all, I did kind of just wake up, but I did take my little hair out my bonnet and I put on some matching pajamas because y'all not finna talk about me. Y'all can talk about me in my other videos, but not today. Because I tried today. But yeah, I got these cupcake pans. I got 2 out because I don't know how many I can make. And I'm trying to gently put it down because for some reason, like, on the phone, all the noises are just amplified. So yeah, I got 2 cupcake pans. And guys, like an idiot, when I used to make cupcakes, I literally used to sit here and put butter in every one of these little holes right here and flour each and every one of them, until my mom told me one day, she was like, you know that you can just use a cupcake wrapper and put it in there and then put the cupcake stuff in there, and then you don't have to do all that. And I was just mind blown, like, that's what they're for? I thought they were decoration. Like, I didn't know people just use them, you know, just so that I have to like do all that in the pan. But yeah, so I'm about to get these little cupcake wrappers we got right here. I don't really care how they look because I don't plan on keeping them on. They're not really cute. They're just to cut me some slack. Like, that's it. That is it. It's just supposed to cut me some slack. And yeah, I'm gonna get a spoon and my mixing bowl, and yeah, we're just about to get started. It's not gonna be really a tutorial. It's just like, I'm just doing a vlog, so like all of this is probably gonna be sped up and stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and cue the music. I just did my hair. I did a little side part for today. It looks very nice. It is not dry yet, but I got other stuff to do. I can't just keep standing here diffusing this hair, so I'm just gonna have to let it air dry, unfortunately. But yeah, this is how it's looking. And now I gotta go back and frost these cupcakes and put on my clothes and start being on the way to the little tent site because me and my boyfriend are taking forever. But yeah, y'all, pajama me is about to be finished with finito. Okay, y'all, I got this headscarf on because I just did my hair and my edges and stuff need to dry. I am running late. I wanted to have this tent up by 6. It's already 5, I think, and we haven't even finished the shopping yet because we gotta get some other stuff that's missing. So yeah, this tent probably not gonna be set up by 6, sadly. I'm hoping that it's still bright outside by the time we're done putting it up because I want bright videos of it and dark. But yeah, I'm about to frost these cupcakes. Fortunately, I'm gonna have to try and rush the frosting of these. And I'm hoping that when I start rushing, I don't mess it up too much. So yeah, I got this little piping bag. Y'all, I don't really know what I'm doing for real. Like, I watch videos on how to like fill the bag and stuff, but I'm not a cake person. Like, I don't make cake. So yeah, bear with me, guys. I don't even know if I got enough frosting. Yeah, it's not even coming out. What the? It's the frosting not trying to come out for me. What the fuck? Boyfriend had to come save the day, y'all, because I couldn't get the piping thing to come out. They look a little raggedy, but it's okay. And ignore these ones, they look a hot mess. I'm gonna put the decorations on now.
hugged me. But yeah, this is how it looks. The cupcakes, they've been through a lot. Don't even look at them. The flowers from Harris Teeter. My candles came in clutch. And yeah, this is how the inside looks. That candle is not on. I don't know why he's not on. It was that candle not doing what it's supposed to do, but yeah, this is how the pillows look, the inside. And we're sitting on these pillows. Anthony's on the way back with the food. That's how the tent is looking. I'm waiting on Anthony to get back. It's really hot out here. But yeah, I might put some more music at the end, but that's about it. Happy 5 years to me and Anthony. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.